Yesterday, I needed to jumpstart my car. The interior lights were dim and it wouldn't start. It worked fine this time, but the battery is low at only 12 volts. A fully charged battery is 12.6 volts. When I rev the engine, I get 14.4 volts. The charging system works. The battery is charging normally and might have some life left, but I don't want to get stranded somewhere, so I want a new battery. Remove the cold air intake and disconnect the battery terminals. This battery is from 2019 and it's 5 years old. Remove the battery clamp with a 12mm socket and long extension. I bought the EverStart Max battery from Walmart. The size is H6. Make sure to write the installation date on the battery and keep the receipt for the warranty. The terminals go closer to the back of the car. The bottom of the battery has a lip that hooks into the battery tray. Install the clamp at the front of the battery and make sure it's completely inside the tray. Don't forget the battery insulation and reinstall the terminals positive side first. Push them all the way down and make sure they don't move after you tighten the nuts. Finally, install the cold air intake. This new battery isn't fully charged at 12.3 volts. You can drive the car for at least half an hour to recharge the battery, but using a charger is better. I'll let it charge overnight. Make sure to keep jumper cables in your car just in case.